Imagine owning a business that gives you steady income with complete flexibility, where you can rent cozy spaces for travel lovers. And with the travel lovers coming into your spaces, they bring an opportunity for profit. Sounds interesting, right? Today, we'll learn about this business, the Airbnb business, and how to set up an Airbnb business. Whether you're a property owner, an investor, or just someone looking to make extra income, Airbnb offers a unique opportunity to make money in today's travel and remote work economy. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what you need to know about this business. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what Airbnb actually is. Airbnb is an online platform where users can find and book short-term rentals all around the world. It allows people to list their homes or properties for rental, making it ideal for travelers looking for unique, flexible and personal accommodations outside of traditional hotels. Since its founding in 2008, Airbnb has grown to over 7 million listings in 191 countries. And it's not just for traditional homes or apartments. You can find everything from cabins in the woods to beachside villas, tiny homes and even boats. Now that we know about Airbnb business, let's get started with how you can start your own Airbnb business and earn profit from it. We'll talk through the key steps from choosing the right property to setting up, listing and marketing it for maximum visibility and bookings. Starting with, choose the right property. The first and most important step is choosing the right property. Properties in popular tourist areas, vibrant urban hubs, or scenic locations are likely to attract more bookings. You don't need a huge villa to get started. Apartments, studios, cabins, and even unique spaces like tiny homes can be listed as long as they comply with local rental laws. Do some research to find areas with high tourist traffic or growing popularity. Having a great location and a unique space is a huge advantage in attracting guests. Next, set up essential amenities. Once you have chosen the property, make sure it's equipped with essential amenities. Basics like Wi-Fi, a fully stocked kitchen, comfortable furniture and fresh bedding are expected by most guests. If you can, add premium amenities like a hot tub, workspace or gym access, as these can help you stand out and justify higher rates. Remember, a well-prepared property with thoughtful amenities is more likely to receive positive reviews and repeat bookings. Next, you have to check rental laws and permits. Before listings, make sure to check local laws and rental regulations. Some cities have restrictions on short-term rentals, and you may need specific permits or licenses. Operating without these could lead to fines or penalties, so it's essential to comply with local requirements. This step is crucial for a smooth and legal operation. Next, it's time to create your Airbnb profile and put your listings. Sign up on Airbnb, complete a host profile and provide all the necessary details. When you list the property, focus on high quality photos. This is one of the most important aspects of attracting guests. Consider investing in professional photography if possible. Write a detailed description that highlights the best aspects of your space and local area. Now, most important, marketing and promotion. Once your listings is live, focus on promotion and marketing to attract guests. High quality photos and detailed descriptions are essential, but going the extra mile in providing excellent service, quick responses and encouraging positive reviews will set your property apart. If you're just starting, consider running initial promotions to attract your first few guests. As reviews start coming in, your property popularity and credibility will grow. But to start, what are the financing options? Here it is. Even if you don't have a lot of upfront capital, there are ways to get started. One option is leveraging real estate. Pay around 20% of the property's value as a down payment and finance the rest with a loan. Use your Airbnb rental income to cover monthly mortgage payments. Over time, this allows you to pay off the property while building rental income. Alternatively, you can purchase a property and either manage it yourself or hire an Airbnb management company. While hiring a management company comes with a 20% commission fee. It takes care of marketing, guest relations and maintenance, making it easier to handle. But why should we choose Airbnb business over traditional renting methods? Here, short-term rentals on Airbnb can yield higher returns compared to long-term leases. You have the flexibility to adjust pricing based on demand, local events or seasonality, maximizing your revenue. Additionally, many expenses like maintenance and cleaning may be tax deductible. So consult a tax advisor to take advantage of these potential deductions. But you might be thinking, is it possible to start your Airbnb business with little or minimum capital? So the answer is yes. Here are a few strategies that you can use. Starting with subleasing. Rent a property that allows subletting and list it on Airbnb. Partner with a property owner and share profits. Make sure you have a clear subleasing agreement that complies with local laws. Second, you can do co-hosting. Manage another host's property. This involves guest communication, bookings, and coordinating services, earning you a percentage of each booking, typically around 10 to 20%. Third, investor partnership. Find investors willing to finance properties for a share of profits or seek support from friends or family members. Fourth, house hacking. Rent out a spare room in your home using existing furniture and amenities. This keeps setup costs low while helping you start earning. Fifth, start small and expand. Begin with a single property and reinvest earning to expand over time. But you must be wondering, what kind of profits can you make with your Airbnb business? Here, let me explain you with an example. Take a villa in Goa. For instance, if the purchase price is around 2 to 10 crore and you set a daily rental rate at rupees 10,000, an annual occupancy of 200 days could bring in 20 lakh per year. That's an approximately rental yield of 8 to 9%, though this can vary by location. This example shows the potential of substantial earnings, especially in popular tourist areas. But keep these things in mind before jumping into this business. Licensing and permission. Always check local regulations and secure necessary permissions. Taxation and expenses. Many costs like maintenance can be claimed as business expenses. Check with a tax advisor. Focus on cleanliness and hygiene. Guests place high importance on cleanliness, so maintaining a high standard is key for positive reviews. Location-specific demand helps you have a high demand on your Airbnb profile. Focus on good reviews. Positive reviews are essential for attracting future bookings, so prioritize the guest experience. Concluding with, Airbnb has a great potential to help you earn profits with less capital income. Airbnb's global reach allows you to turn any suitable property into a profitable rental business. For those with limited initial capital, options like subleasing, co-hosting, and partnerships provide a great starting point. So, if you are ready to make your property work for you and earn profits, why not start today?